Tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the Procolored K13 L1800 A3 DTF Printer Premium Bundle, designed to take your custom printing game to the next level. I've got to say, after putting this machine through its paces, I'm excited to share with you just how impressive it is. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand your product offerings or an apparel enthusiast wanting to create unique designs, this printer is definitely worth considering. One of the standout features of the K13 is its upgraded L1800 A3 printhead, which delivers improved print precision, smoother gradients, and more stable output. This means you can achieve professional-level print quality with ease, making it ideal for users ready to step up to more professional-level garment printing. Imagine being able to produce intricate designs with precision and accuracy every time. The K13's enhanced printhead is designed for higher consistency and reliability, making it perfect for businesses that require high-quality prints on a regular basis. With this level of precision, you can offer your customers unique and complex designs that will set you apart from the competition. Another key feature that caught my attention is the A3 large format printing area. This allows you to produce larger designs and handle a wider range of custom apparel projects, from t-shirts and hoodies to tote bags and more. The possibilities are endless, and this feature alone can help small businesses expand their product offerings and increase order value. Just think about being able to print high-quality designs on a variety of materials, all with the same level of precision and accuracy. The K13's large format printing area is a game-changer for anyone looking to take their custom printing to the next level. The K13 also offers professional-level output similar to the F13 series, built with a structure that provides enhanced durability and production stability. This means it can support higher workload demands, making it a great choice for growing businesses seeking consistent, high-quality DTF printing results. With the K13, you can produce high-quality prints all day long, without worrying about the machine breaking down or losing quality over time. This level of reliability is essential for businesses that rely on consistent production to meet customer demands. Plus, the K13's durable design ensures that it will withstand the rigors of heavy use, making it a valuable investment for any business. In addition to its impressive printing capabilities, the K13 also features a smart ink system and reduced maintenance effort. The automatic white ink circulation system prevents sedimentation and ensures smooth ink flow, while built-in cleaning functions help reduce clogging and downtime. This makes daily operation easier and more efficient, even for users with limited maintenance experience. I was impressed by how easy it was to use and maintain the K13, and I think this feature alone will be a major selling point for many businesses. With the K13, you can focus on what matters most, creating high-quality prints and growing your business. Finally, the K13 is equipped with optimized color profiles and Procolored software, which automatically recognizes RGB and CMYK formats and applies calibrated settings for accurate color reproduction. This means you can achieve vibrant, true-to-design prints with minimal setup required. The K13's intelligent software support takes the guesswork out of color printing, ensuring that your designs look exactly as you intended. Whether you're printing photos, graphics, or text, the K13's advanced color management system ensures that your prints will be vibrant and accurate. In conclusion, the Procolored K13 L1800 A3 DTF Printer Premium Bundle is an incredible machine that offers a wide range of features and benefits for small businesses and apparel enthusiasts. With its upgraded printhead, large format printing area, professional-level output, smart ink system, and accurate color reproduction, this printer is sure to take your custom printing to the next level. If you're looking to invest in a high-quality DTF printer that can handle your growing business needs, I highly recommend checking out the K13. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this amazing machine. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level. Invest in the Procolored K13 today and start producing high-quality prints that will impress your customers and set you apart from the competition.